Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Carestream Webmail Account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Carestream Webmail Account, go and open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar at the top, type in www.carestream.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website. Go to the top right hand corner and click on the login link. Now, in the login area, type in your email address associated with your account and make sure to type in the information correct. Once you do that, head over to the password field and type in your password. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password link at the top and follow the on-screen prompts. After everything's typed in and your credentials are correct, click the Sign In button and you'll be able to get access to your Carestream Webmail account. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.